Hello, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my videos and press the bell icon for latest updates in my upcoming videos. In this chapter, we will study about unemployment, 11th economics. Okay, chapter number 7, unemployment in India. So unemployment, as I've written on the board for you. First is rural unemployment, that is found in villages. Such type of unemployment is found in villages. So it is called as rural unemployment. In this we have two categories. First seasonal and second disguised. So some people are unemployed during the seasons like mangoes. Mangoes are demanded only in summer season, or umbrellas only in rainy season. Other seasons they are unemployed like winter and summer season. Okay. In case of mangoes, they are unemployed in the rainy and winter season. Such type of unemployment is called as seasonal unemployment, which depend upon the season. Second is disguised unemployment, which is hidden. On top we feel that people are employed, but excessive work is there, so few people are removed. But such or reduce the work or remove. Such type of unemployment which is hidden is called as disguised unemployment. So seasonal unemployment as well as disguised unemployment are found in rural areas, that is villages. Okay, in villages only. Second, urban unemployment, which is found in cities. So in urban unemployment we have first educated. Many people are educated but jobless. Such type of unemployment is called as educated. They are willing to work but they don't have job opportunities. Such type of unemployment is called as educated unemployment. Second is industrial unemployment. This type of unemployment is found in industries or industrial area. So the production may be less, okay, because of slowdown in the economy, demand is not there for goods. So such type of unemployment which is found in industries is called as industrial unemployment. In this we have four parts. First is technological unemployment. Like many people are not aware about how to use computer or new technology. So such unemployment which is called as technological unemployment. Okay, this results because of no knowledge of the latest technology. So people don't have jobs. Okay. Second is frictional unemployment. Due to sudden breakdown of machinery, the production may affect. It may affect the production. So people may be jobless. Such unemployment is called as frictional unemployment. Then we have cyclical unemployment. Like there are cycles in the trade cycles, like depression or recession, then prosperity on the top, then again downfall and depression or slack. Such type of unemployment, when economy is in depression or recession, people are jobless. Okay, such type of unemployment is called as cyclical unemployment, which results because of trade cycles. Okay, and last but not the least is structural unemployment. This is found in the structure like agriculture or any other structure of the economy. If it get affected, the unemployment that results into unemployment. So this type of unemployment is called as structural unemployment. So I think this is clear. Unemployment, that is joblessness. So it is found in rural areas as well as urban area. We'll do a quick recap of that. Rural unemployment is divided into two categories, seasonal and disguised unemployment. Then urban unemployment is again divided into two categories, educated unemployment and industrial unemployment. In industrial unemployment we have four categories. First is technological unemployment, second is frictional unemployment, third is cyclical unemployment, and fourth is structural unemployment. I hope this is clear, this video is clear. So that's it for today. We'll come up with more interesting videos shortly. Till then, bye. Thank you.